Hardy's trying to get in the Undertaker's head.
そう我々キャラテのすぐの勝負のは
And Jeff Hardy kicking that ladder right back in the face of the undisputed champion. Jeff Hardy lured the Undertaker to the outside. Hits him across and the extreme Jeff Hardy. He's a risk taker. He's a daredevil. And he knows he cannot be destroyed. Undertaker hit right between the eyes with a solid shot, with a steel chair.
Jeff Hardy's been thinking about this match all week. Obviously, he is ready for this. And just remember, he does not have to pin The Undertaker to become the undisputed champion. Look out.
Jeff Hardy outmaneuvering The Undertaker that ladder. Again, Jeff Hardy, a veteran of those historic TNT matches and ladder matches. The Undertaker knocking down Jeff Hardy has never been in a ladder match in his long, successful, illustrious career here in the WWE.
But he's in one now, and it can turn out to be the match of his life.
Jeff Hardy giving up size and strength and power. And that may be too much to overcome in a normal match. But ladies and gentlemen, this ain't no normal match. This is a ladder match. This is a Hardy Extreme specialty.
Yeah, but you got to remember, JR, just think back to last week. The Undertaker literally extremely destroyed.
And Jeff Hardy, though, had enough guts to issue this challenge. And maybe on that night, Jeff Hardy outsmarted The Undertaker because The Undertaker has never been in this ladder match environment. And that's where we are, The Undertaker slugging and hammering away at Jeff Hardy on the outside. Remember, you can't be disqualified. You can't get counted out. You can't, the pinfalls don't count, and there are no submissions.
I know. I realize that. But I think now you're seeing the dominance of The Undertaker start to emerge here. This is probably why The Undertaker, well, quite frankly, it sounds like he's just looking past Jeff Hardy. He's thinking about Kurt Angle. He's thinking about The Rock. We didn't even mention Jeff Hardy.
The Undertaker, so sadistic. He is an evil executioner, is this man, and he can just beat on Jeff Hardy as long as he wants if The Undertaker chooses.
I think he's about to introduce Jeff Hardy up close and personal to that ladder.
そう我々キャラテのすぐの勝負のは
Oh, no, wait!
The Undertaker, Jeff Hardy came unmounted and drove The Undertaker's face, his chest, his lower torso right into that ladder. They can beat each other all night long, but the match will continue if it takes us all night long until somebody can climb that ladder.
勝負のは
Leg dropping the ladder on top of The Undertaker's prone carcass. This match will continue all night until somebody can pull that undisputed title belt.
I sometimes think that Jeff Hardy should have considered a career as a crash test dummy. I mean, he'll absolutely risk life and limb in these matches.
As I say here in New Hampshire, live free or die. And Jeff Hardy's career could die here tonight in this matchup, or it could be made. It could be history in the making, one way or the other.
勝負のは
Climbing that ladder right up into Jeff Hardy's face.
Oh, man, did you see that?
Undertaker has been back in this ring since being lured out of the ring, outmaneuvered mentally, if you will, by the extreme Jeff Hardy. And now The Undertaker back in the squared circle. Jeff writhing in pain here, King, right in front of us.
Well, Undertaker just kicked that metal ladder right into the ribs of Jeff Hardy. It's a miracle that, well, it could have cracked a couple of them. Oh, no, look out.
そう我々キャラテのすぐの勝負のは
Jeff Hardy's face just